Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today is the first lesson in a new unit about health. I know that the way things have been going in the world right now, we've been learning a lot about health. I hope you'll find this unit both interesting and helpful. Today's lesson is going to focus on vocabulary words around the word health. Let's go ahead and look at today's objective. The first objective says, I know and can pronounce 10 different vocabulary words to describe common health problems. The next objective says, I can match photos of common health problems with the vocabulary words I have learned. Let's look at a few very common vocabulary words. The first 4 words end in the word ache. Ache is spelled A-C-H-E. The word ache means pain or hurt. So when we look at the first vocabulary word, backache, it's like saying I have pain in my back. Backache. Now some of these words will be new for you, and it's always a good idea to repeat the word after me so that we can get better at our pronunciation. Let's go ahead and practice pronouncing some of these words. Again, the first word is backache. You say it, backache. The next word is earache. You say it, earache. The next word is headache. You say it, headache. The last ache word is the word stomach ache. You say it, stomach ache. Then we have the word cold. You say it, cold. Not to be confused with the word cold. Cold is an illness where you have a stuffy nose and maybe a little bit of pain. That's a cold. Then we have the word cough. You say it, cough. Cough. Then the word fever. You say it, fever. Fever is when you're hot. You have a temperature or a fever. The next word is sore throat. You say it, sore throat. The next word is broken leg. You say it, broken leg. And the last word is sprained ankle. Your ankle is connected to your foot. Sprained ankle. Now that we've been introduced to those vocabulary words, let's look at some pictures and see if we can match the correct picture with the correct vocabulary word. On your screen, you see 8 pictures and 8 vocabulary words. Match the correct vocabulary word with the correct picture. Go ahead and pause your video now to complete the activity, and when you're finished, hit play and you can check the correct answers with me. Go ahead and pause your video now. All right, let's go ahead and look how we did. Number 1, you should say headache. Number 2, sore throat. Number 3, cough. Number 4, fever. Number 5, sprained ankle. Number 6, broken leg. Number 7, cold. Number 8, stomach ache. So those are only a few of the common vocabulary words that we use to describe health problems. Let's go ahead and look at our objectives and see if we've learned what I hope you would have learned. The first objective says, I know and can pronounce 10 common vocabulary words to describe health problems. The second objective says, I can match photos of common health problems with the correct vocabulary words. I think we've had some practice. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.